Every night, our cities glow with millions of lights, casting a veil over the natural darkness and altering the essence of our nighttime environment. This omnipresent glow, known as light pollution, disrupts ecosystems, affects human health, and even obscures our view of the stars. Animals, especially nocturnal species, find their feeding, mating, and migration behaviors severely impacted, leading to declines in populations. Humans are not immune to its effects either, with increasing evidence linking light pollution to sleep disorders, stress, and other health issues. The beauty of the night sky, once a source of inspiration and wonder, is now hidden from over 1/3 of humanity, including 80% of North Americans. Light pollution is a consequence of industrialization and urban expansion, with poorly designed lighting being a major contributor. The transition to LED lighting, while energy efficient, has exacerbated the problem due to its higher blue light content. Efforts to map and quantify light pollution globally reveal a rapid increase, with implications for biodiversity, human health, and our cultural heritage. Mitigating light pollution requires a multifaceted approach, involving policy changes, technological innovations, and public awareness. Exploring the depths of our relationship with natural darkness, it becomes clear that this issue is more than just about visibility at night. Ancient civilizations revered the night sky, incorporating it into their cultures, religions, and sciences. The loss of natural darkness can be seen as a disconnection from our historical roots and the universe itself. Reconnecting with the night requires us to adopt a more mindful approach to how we use light in our cities and homes. By drawing inspiration from traditional practices and modern technology, we can design lighting that aligns with the natural rhythms of life. Emerging research suggests that certain wavelengths of light can be less harmful to wildlife and humans, offering a blueprint for healthier lighting solutions. One intriguing solution lies in the revival of ancient wisdom, combining it with contemporary science to create a harmonious coexistence of light and darkness. Incorporating elements of esoteric practices, such as using specific light frequencies for healing and mindfulness, could foster a deeper connection to the natural world. Bioluminescence, the natural emission of light by organisms, provides a fascinating model for creating sustainable light sources. Transforming urban environments to support dark skies initiatives involves not only technological change, but also a cultural shift in the perception of darkness. Promoting dark sky reserves and eco-friendly tourism offers an opportunity to experience the wonders of the night sky while raising awareness. Collaboration between astronomers, biologists, health experts, and urban planners is essential for crafting solutions that honor both our need for light and the darkness. By embracing the darkness, we can restore balance to our environment, improve our well-being, and reconnect with the cosmic perspective that has guided humanity for millennia. The journey towards reducing light pollution is not just a return to the darkness, but an awakening to the interconnectedness of all life, guided by the gentle glow of the stars. In the end, the challenge of light pollution invites us to reconsider our relationship with light and darkness, offering a path to a more luminous future in harmony with the natural world.